Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got another advent calendar for you and this is NYX Beauty. It's a really pretty box this year. They've brought out two advent calendars, so this is the cheaper one, costs £95, has a value of £385, and this is the 25 Days of Beauty advent calendar. Comes with its own little book and I am really impressed with the design. It is so pretty, really nice, and also you've got like a little nice keepsake box there if you like keeping boxes. But they also have a luxury advent calendar and that costs £185 and has a value of £779. If you're interested in this one or the ultimate luxury one, then you'll find it listed down below in my description, and down there you'll see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites and any giveaways I've got currently running. This is so handy. I know beauty boxes and advent calendars, they don't give little booklets anymore with all the details of the products, but no, this has it all. So if there's something I don't know what it is, I can tell you about it. Okay, day number one. This is Bath & Body Works 1000 Wishes Fragrance Mist, and there are 75 mils there. Now in the little booklet it doesn't say what the scent is except that it's sweet, but I think I have smelt this one before. If you weren't already aware, next to regular beauty boxes, there's always a load of different ones on their website. Oh, did it too close to my face. So I think I've received one of these in one of their beauty boxes. I'm not that keen on overly sweet perfumes, but this is really nice. It is really nice. I could wear this one definitely. Yeah, it's lovely. Day number two. Already ripping up the boxes. What have we got here? We've got Delilah. This is a colour lip gloss Ultimate Shine in Mink. I've already got this and I really like it. I love the colour. It's a gorgeous nudie colour and it's quite pigmented for a lip gloss as well. Yeah, it's nice. It's a really nice one. So I'll see if my daughter wants that. Day number three. What advent calendars are you loving so far? There's so many out, isn't there? It's only the start of September and I can't keep up. I've got loads behind you, ready to film, ready to show you, and there's still more coming. We've got two products. We've got an OPI nail lacquer in Bubble Bath, so a nice nude shade. We've got Pro Collagen Retinol Eye Patch. It's a anti-aging formula under eye masks. Contains retinol, vitamin C and aloe. We've got one-use eye patches there. So there's those two. But yeah, if there's any advent calendar in particular that you'd love to see me unbox, then please let me know. A few are sold out already. I can't believe it. Day number four. Oh, we've got Corez. It is, isn't it? Yeah, it's a gorgeous Greek brand. And this is a body cleanser in Santorini Grape. This smells really nice. It is on the sweet side, but it is such a nice smell. I love all of them. That is not what I expected. I have bought a full-size version of this a couple of years ago, and that's not what I thought it would be. It smells more lemony. Whenever NYX release a limited edition beauty box and they've got a full-size Corez shower gel, I have to get it. So yeah, so that's a little mini. I forgot to say actually, I don't know how many full sizes. Shall I have a quick look? I'll let you know. There's 12 full sizes in all, so half roughly. Okay, what were we on? I think it's day number 5, isn't it? I think so. Hey, I'm confused. I've got another OPI. That's definitely day number 5. I'm sure it's in day number 3 as well. I got 2. That has got to be a mistake. It doesn't go in order of the products in the book, not really, but I suppose I'll be able to see what I'm missing. Okay, a duplicate there. We'll move on. Day number 6 up here. And we have got Percy & Reed. It's for your hair. This is a Give Me Strength Strengthening Shampoo. Here is 68% stronger after one use. And there is a 50 mils there. I'm sure we've got the conditioner as well. I'm sure I saw 2 Percy & Reed products, which is good. We all like it when you've got a duo. Helps improves hair strength, density and growth with every wash. Day number 7. And we have got the conditioner. Give Me Strength conditioner. Exactly the same. 50 mils there. So a nice size to try to see if your hair loves it or not. Happy that we've got both a shampoo and a conditioner. Day number 8. Oh, we've got Pixie. This is a Hydra Lip Treat Tinted Lip Balm in shade Nectar. So this is full size. It looks very similar to Milk makeup, doesn't it? That's lovely. That's a really nice shade. So what is it? It's lip, is it? A lip treat, tinted lip balm. Look. That's really, really nice. It's very wide. I suppose you could use that on your cheeks if you wanted to as well. It's a little bit sticky and tacky, but it's not too bad. But you could do like a multi-purpose. Eyes, cheeks, lips maybe. I think it's a nice colour to be able to do that. It's quite subtle. But yeah, no, I like that. It says hydrating tint with natural butters and oils that your lips will love. Day number 9. We've got Bloom and Blossom. This is Hands Up Age Defying Hand Cream with niacinamide. And there is 25 mils there. Let's give it a go. Has it got a seal? Yeah. Hands always in need of hand cream. Someone mentioned to me before, you would have thought with all the products I'm testing on my hands that they'd be fine. But just me. They're not horrific. They're not really, really dry and, you know, sore or anything. They just look a bit old. What does it smell? It smells a bit like a bonfire. It's a very, very subtle scent, but it smells smoky, but in a nice way. I don't like smoky scents, but no, this one's nice. Okay, day number 10 over here. And we've got, a repair oil, superfood repair oil. Next Level Nail Nutrition by Nails Inc. There is 14 mils there. This is a superfood repair oil. Just dop it on to the cuticles. I've got press-on nails on at the minute. Everyone always says, you know, having your nails done in a salon with gel nails, it's really bad for your nails. I've been having my nails done in a salon for a good couple of years now. I go every 4 weeks or so. Whenever she takes the nails off, she has a good look at them, make sure the nail bed and everything is all healthy. I've had no issues whatsoever. If 1 or 2 has popped off by the time my next appointment, they are a little bit dry, but with some oils and stuff, I could get my nails looking all right then, you know. But wearing these stick on with glue, I'm noticing my nails are looking awful. I'll have to give them a bit of a breather for a couple of days because moisture gets in them and it's not good, is it? But anyway, this superfood repair oil will come in handy, is what I'm trying to say. Day number 11. We've got some scrunchies and it's all scrunched up. This is by Beauty Works Skinny Satin Scrunchies. I have got a ton of these because I unbox lots of different advent calendars and beauty boxes, so you often find them in there. They're just really handy. They're great for your hair, especially if you've got fine, fragile hair, like my natural hair. I do have some extensions in just to thicken the ends out, but they're just really nice and gentle on your hair. So they're a good thing to have for sure. But yeah, they're dotted all around the place. Our bathroom is downstairs. So we've got a little basket full of microfiber cleansing cloths. And in there's a load of these as well. These definitely get used even though I've got so many already. Day number 12. We got Emma Hardy. And this is Vitamin C Radiance Gel Moisturiser. Helps reduce pigmentation and dark spots. Even skin tone. Boosts radiance and glow. Hydrates and protects. And there's 20 mils there. It's a nice cream. I've used it a few times over the years, but my favourite product of theirs is the cleansing balm. I love that. The Moringa cleansing balm. Day number 13, it's a really heavy one. And we've got a full size oil that I've bought, received a few times, still can't pronounce it. This is Nux Huile Prodigieuses. It's a multi-purpose dry oil for face, body and hair. It feels amazing on the skin. And it absolutely smells gorgeous too. It's a really, really gorgeous product. You can see there, it's oily, but then it dries down really nice and dry. It doesn't leave your skin feeling sticky or anything. It's so, so lovely. They have different ones as well, different scents. They have a floral, they have a neroli one as well. It's a really, really nice product. And this year they've come out with a roll-on version of this, which is also quite handy to have. And they've got shimmery versions as well. It's a well-loved product and it's a good one if you love your body oils. Day number 14. Oh, we got a perfume. This is by Floral Street, and this is Sweet Almond Blossom Eau de Parfum, 10 mils. They do gorgeous scented perfumes. The bottles are absolutely stunning. This is a really nice scent, but it's a little on the sweet side for me. And I received it in another calendar, I think, or a beauty box recently. And I was going to give that one to my daughter. So no, I'll save this and pass it on to a friend. See, it smells gorgeous. It's so, so nice. It's a little bit too sweet. But yeah, Sweet Almond Blossom by Floral Street. Day number 15. I thought we'd had another OPI nail polish. No, my mistake. I picked up number 5. 15 is next to it. Oh, sorry. I was thinking, oh, another one. We've got Sanctuary Spa. This is a body lotion, aloe vera and argan oil. It's the Sanctuary signature scent, and there's 75 mils here. This room and my skin is going to be smelling of so many different things. It's nice. I think it is mixing with whatever I had on my hand last time. What do I have? Oh, the oil, isn't it? The Nux oil. I have got a cleansing cloth next to me to wipe my hands in between trying things. Oh, I just forgot to use it. Yeah, I can't really smell it properly. It's all mixed in, but my hands are super, super soft now. Day number 16, I've got Spectrum. This is a Wonder Sponge, Beauty Blending Sponge. You dampen it down with water so it expands, and then use it to apply cream, liquids, anything you want to your face. Day number 17, and we've got Iconic London. This is Warm Lights Baked Eyeshadow Palette. Oh, look at that. It's pretty, isn't it? I love this burgundy type one in the corner there. Oh, that's really nice. Yeah, something new. I haven't had this. Oh, is it burgundy? No, it's more chocolatey brown, isn't it? Just look more burgundy on the camera. I haven't received this before, so it's a new product from this brand for me. Day number 18. And we have got Philip Kingsley. This is Elastostyler, and it's a 5-in-1 treatment, 40 mils. So you just apply like a pea-size amount onto your hair and then style as usual. 19 over here. We got a mascara from Benefit, and this is Bad Girl Bang. I love this one. It's such a good mascara. Mini Intense Pitch Black. So yeah, it's a really, really good one. It's really pigmented as well, and it gets right in at my lashes. I've got very short and straight lashes, but you really need a good cleansing balm to get it off afterwards. It's quite hard to get off. I love this one. Benefit just do amazing mascaras. I love a load of them, except for actually they're real. I don't like that one. Right, day number 20 over here. And we've got This Works. This is In Transit Vitamin C Serum, a multi-active hydrating serum with vitamin C to help rejuvenate tired looking skin. And there's 30 mils there to help and prevent signs of premature aging while brightening and hydrating the skin. 21 here. I'm intrigued now to find out what I'm missing, what day 5 is supposed to be. I've got SPF 40, the one that makes you glow. It's a dark spot oil serum by Hello Sunday. It says, not only does this invisible formula prevent and reduce dark spots and hyperpigmentation, the powerful combination of vitamin E and, oh my gosh, hexyl resorcinol helps improve dull complexion and even out skin tone. A fragrance-free, light touch concentrate oil that is fast absorbing and keeps the skin protected from UVA and UVB rays. So it's a dark spot serum with SPF 40. I've actually got one of these ready to use, so I haven't tried it yet. I wonder if I did get it in a Next Beauty box. Let's see what it feels like on the skin. It's a little bit there. It feels nice on the skin. And yeah, it blends in nicely as well. It's not leaving a really stickiness either on the skin, which is nice. A serum oil with SPF 40 from Hello Sunday. Okay, day number 22. Where are you? Up the top. Oh, my husband absolutely loves this. This is Aromatherapy Associates De-Stress Muscle Gel. Ease and Recover and there's 40 mils. I might have told you this before, but I always keep these whenever I receive them in different boxes. He has them by the side of the bed. He's a cyclist and he does long cycles. Journeys, I don't know, and he's away for hours anyway, cycling at a time, does like 50-60 miles or whatever. So yeah, at night then he gets stiff and he swears by this. He says it's really good. I got another one for him, day number 23, and we've got Bondi Sands. This is pure self-tanning sleep mask for all skin types with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, and there's 75 mils there. The sleep mask combines our iconic Golden Glow with skin-loving hyaluronic acid for hydration, vitamin C for brightening, and vitamin E for repair. Wake up to hydrated, glowing skin with our rich and nourishing formula that is colourless, fragrance-free, and gentle enough for sensitive skins. I'm not going to try that out because it'll leave me with slight tan marks all over my hands, but I have used it before and it's nice. It's a nice one for a subtle glow. 24, where are you? There's 25, 24 here. And I've got the Flat Lay Co. London. It's an oversized eye mask. Love this little bag. It would be handy to put my jewellery in when I go away or a night away or something. I love little bags like this. That's cute, isn't it? Nice padded eye mask there. And a little pouch. I have got a few of these though, so I'll probably pass that on, but I'll keep the bag. Day number 25, the last day of the Advent calendar. Oh, it's a massive, heavy one. Is there a few in there, or is it just one big? No, there's a few things. Oh, we've got smellies. We've got a candle and we've got a Ritual body scrub. Right, we've got the Ritual Jing, which is gorgeous. I love this one. Relaxing body scrub, salt and magnesium, 125 grams. Yeah, with this one and the Ritual Secura, I love it. I am actually going to go and unbox a Rituals Advent calendar right after this, so you'll get to see that soon as well. I've gone for the medium one. So nice. They leave my skin feeling amazing. They get rid of dead skin cells and then it leaves like an oily film over your skin afterwards, but it feels so nice and soft. So there's that. And then we've got a candle. This is Stone Glow, Sea Salt and Oak Moss. I'll show you first before I have a whiff. This smells gorgeous. It smells so nice. Oh, I wonder if they do like deodorant sprays, because this would smell amazing on my husband. It is really lovely. I like that. There you go, those are all the items inside this year's Next Beauty Advent Calendar. The cheaper one of the two, £95, and it has a value of £385. So let's find out what I'm missing then. I am missing Dr. Paw Paw Original Balm. That one there, so 10 mil, so it's a little one. So that's what I should have had. For me personally, that's fine because I do already have that product anyway. But I've got two nail polishes of the same shade. Let's hope that that is the only mistake that does happen. If you've bought this advent calendar for yourself, or any advent calendars to be honest, if you want a surprise, if you don't want to open it before December, then get someone in your household or a friend or whatever to have a look inside and make sure everything's in there. Just so that you know, because if you wait until December to find out that you've got duplicates, something is missing, then it could be a bit too late. So if you do it straight away, at least you might be able to sort it out, get a refund or order a new one or something like that, you know? But I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this? Have you ordered this yourself? Are you going to order it for yourself, or are you going to opt for the other one? Or is it not for you this year? I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video, which will be the Rituals one, I think, anyway. Take care.